Okay, here's solving systems by means of elimination we went over before. Nelson Mandela handout number 8. And this is a little more complicated than I showed you in class, and I will show you again when I get back. You have to create it to whereas something can be eliminated. It doesn't matter if it's an X or Y. So let's say I wanted to eliminate the X's. Doesn't matter. So you'd have to think of what could I multiply by to zero out the X for the 5 and the -3. So it could be two different numbers. It really doesn't matter. So let's say I'm going to multiply by 5 on the one on the bottom, everything by 5. And if I multiply everything by 3 for the equation on the top. So that thereby will give you a -15 and a +15, so you can eliminate it because this one's a negative and one's a positive. So I'm going to have 15, I'm just multiplying everything by 3 in the first equation, plus 12y equals 3 times 14, hold on, that would be 42, that would be a -42. Now I'm going to do the bottom one, multiplying by 5. So now this is a -15x, and this is a -30y equals a -30. I multiplied everything by the 5. Now we can eliminate. Now we can do our elimination here. Okay, so this crosses out here, leaving, subtracting 12 from the 30. So if you have 30 minus 12, and this would be 18. That would be a -18y equals 42 plus 30, it would be a -72. Now if we divide both sides by a -18, and that crosses out, so you have y is equal to a +4. So you got what y is. Y is 4. So now I look back at my equations. So I decide which one I will substitute. That means replace y for. So I'll do the first one here. So instead of writing 4y, I'm going to write 4 times 4, which will give you 16. So we're just going to solve 5x plus 16 equals -14. So 5x plus 16, no y, nothing, you just substituted it in, equals -14. Now minus 16 on both sides, leaving 5x is equal to, this would be 10, that's a -30. So your x is equal to a -6. So in solving this system, the intersection would be -6, 4, where it intersects.